In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display an image on PHP using Replit. This is a straightforward process and a great way to get familiar with integrating imagery into your PHP projects hosted on Replit. Let's dive right in and take it step by step to ensure you get everything set up perfectly. First things first, head over to Replit's homepage. If you're new to Replit, it's a powerful, collaborative, browser-based coding environment with support for various programming languages, including PHP. Once on the homepage, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. This will give you access to all the development tools you need to work on your project. Next, in the Replit interface, you'll see a chat box. This is a handy feature that allows you to query documentation and guides directly within Replit. In the chat box, type in display an image on PHP. This will help you find resources and documentation related to displaying images with PHP, ensuring that you have all the necessary information to proceed effectively. Once you've typed your query, click on the Start Chat option. This action will initiate a chat session with Replit's guide system, which can provide insights and step-by-step instructions tailored to displaying an image using PHP. This system can help demystify PHP's image handling capabilities, especially if you're new to scripting with PHP. Now that you have your guide ready, it's time to configure your environment. Typically, this step will involve setting up your Replit workspace with the necessary files to display an image. Navigate to the sample project available at replit.com by visiting the specific repository or workspace designed to handle this task efficiently. After you've set up your workspace, you'll see an option to build the entire application. Click on this button. This command will trigger the necessary backend setup for your PHP application, ensuring that all server-side components are ready and properly configured to handle image files. Finally, click on Start Building. This last step initiates the building process, compiling all your configurations and files into a working PHP application that can display your chosen images. Once complete, you'll be able to view the results in your project's output section. If everything's gone smoothly, your image should now display as part of your PHP application on Replit. This method not only helps you understand image handling in PHP, but also gets you acquainted with Replit's versatile coding environment. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you have a fully functional setup to display images with PHP on Replit. Stick around for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.